I was sent this grab bag of wood in the mail by a special friend. She's the best. Thank you. So I made a walnut scrap wood box with leather hinges and leather clasp. It's very simple, but you may get a few cool ideas of your own as I build it in this video. For those of you that don't know, I make all sorts of boxes, many of which you can find here on my channel. I'm so digging this box. Let me know what you think about this box.
You told your mama you'd be studying at a friend's house, but you got tickets for a sweaty rock dive bomb.
Listen guys, thank you for checking it out. This is Eskahedha Woodworking. Do you like skulls, rock and roll music, gooey stuff you find under tables, horror, making things out of crap you find on the streets of Miami?
What's that sticky stuff under the table? Let you eat it up.
Subscribe to me on YouTube. So subscribe to keep up with what I do. We'll cut these pieces of walnut to size. They will become the two sides of our box. This is my new DEWALT table saw, by the way. It's portable and it's serving me really well. I have a few videos of me unboxing it and mentioning it. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link to where you can check out the features and price of this awesome table saw. Here are the pieces that will make up the little box. Let's glue it up. And let's clamp it. I'll have a link to where you can find all the clamps in the description too. We'll let it dry now and we'll be back. I have a new live show here on YouTube. It's the Mad Maker Show. We interview makers that we know and love and try to get into their heads to see what makes them tick. Live on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern here on my channel. I'd like to thank Harneal Media as one of my sponsors. Harneal Media is a professional website design and hosting company which specializes in the maker community. If you need a site, logo, intro, custom music, and or web hosting service for a reasonable hobbyist price tag, come see Steve and his team at harnealmedia.com. Okay, let's get back to it. We'll unclamp now. Since these are scrap wood pieces I'm working with, they're not all the same thickness. We'll clean it all up with the belt sander. This will help get rid of any protruding edges and surface glue as well. Let's saw the box so we have the top and bottom separate. Here it is. This is my leather tool and knick-knack box. We're gonna make some simple hinges with leather and give this box an extra strangeness and interest to it. We'll use these scraps for the hinges. Now let's punch some holes. We'll add some eyelets so when we fasten the leather to the box, the screws won't tear as easy. Here's my small screws box. I don't have the right size screws small enough, but there's no way I'm going to go to the box store, so we'll improvise. What the heck. I'll pre-drill the holes where the screws will go. We don't want the wood splitting on us. So let's fasten the hinges. We'll add this leather scrap to the front as a clasp of sorts. We'll Forstner bit a recess for the dowel that will keep the box shut. Just a dab of glue and we'll set the dowel in. Let's add some poly and let it dry. You can find links to all the tools and stuff I use in the description below. I'll catch you guys next time. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe.